Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be exploring the future of e-commerce and how virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are revolutionizing the way we shop. So, buckle up and let's dive into this exciting world of immersive technology. E-commerce has come a long way since the early days of online shopping. But what's next? Virtual reality and augmented reality are two technologies that are poised to revolutionize the industry. Section 1. Current state of e-commerce. E-commerce has been on the rise for years, with global online sales reaching $4.28 trillion in 2020. By 2025, this figure is expected to surpass $7 trillion. But what's next for the industry? That's where VR and AR come into play. Section 2. Virtual reality in e-commerce. Virtual reality offers a fully immersive shopping experience, transporting users to a 3D virtual store. According to Statista, the VR market is projected to reach $12.2 billion by 2024. Major retailers, like IKEA and Walmart, are already investing in VR technology. With VR, customers can experience products in a way that was never possible before. For example, a furniture company could create a VR showroom where customers can walk around and interact with their products. Fact 1. In 2018, IKEA launched its VR app, IKEA Place, allowing users to virtually place furniture in their homes before purchasing. Fact 2. Walmart acquired a VR startup, Spatialand, in 2018 to create VR experiences for their customers. Section 3. Augmented reality in e-commerce. Augmented reality, or AR, has already made significant strides in e-commerce. With AR, customers can visualize and customize their purchases through 3D and AR models for e-commerce. This technology can help businesses improve the customer experience, reduce returns, and increase sales. Augmented reality, on the other hand, overlays digital information onto the real world. By 2025, the AR market is expected to be worth $198 billion. Brands like Sephora, Nike, and Amazon are already using AR to enhance the shopping experience. Fact 3. Sephora's virtual artist app lets users try on makeup virtually before buying. Fact 4. Nike's Fit app uses AR to help customers find the perfect shoe size. Fact 5. Amazon's AR View allows users to visualize how products will look in their homes. Section 4. Benefits of VR and AR in e-commerce. So, how do VR and AR benefit e-commerce? Here are 3 key advantages. 1. Personalized shopping experiences. VR and AR enable retailers to offer tailored experiences based on customer preferences, increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty. 2. Reduced return rates. With the ability to virtually try on products or preview them in their homes, customers can make more informed decisions, leading to fewer returns. 3. Competitive edge. Early adoption of VR and AR technologies can set retailers apart from their competition, helping them attract and retain customers. The potential of VR and AR in e-commerce is enormous. In fact, the value of the AR market is predicted to reach $50 billion by 2024. And according to a study by Gartner, by 2022, 70% of enterprises will be experimenting with immersive technologies for consumer and enterprise use, and 25% will have deployed to production. Conclusion. The future of e-commerce is bright, thanks to virtual reality and augmented reality. These technologies are not only improving the customer experience but also helping businesses increase sales and reduce returns. As the market continues to grow, it's clear that VR and AR will play a crucial role in shaping the future of e-commerce. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos about the latest in technology.